Hey y'all, so tonight I want to give y'all a tip about wreath frames. When I first started, I made my own wreath frames, and I want to show you guys how I did that tonight. So the first thing that you have to do is figure out a common theme besides all of the current wreath frames that they have. And if you look at them, between wire to wire, it's always 5 inches. 5 inches. And it's 5 inches whether you look at the top or the bottom. So there's several YouTube tutorials on how to do this. They have all these measurements, and there's another one with a PDF and dots all over the place and where you should place them. Here's the easiest way to do it. A pipe cleaner is 12 inches. The measurement between a raised frame from the middle ring to the top ring or the middle ring to the bottom ring is 1 inch. So if you wrap your pipe cleaner anywhere you want, start around the middle ring and the top ring, twist it off, you now have 5 inches right here, because we took 1 inch off twice going around here. Fold it over. This is where your next twist tie should go. Wherever this touches the ring is where your next twist tie goes. Once again, middle ring, top ring, fold it over. Where it touches the metal, that's where your next twist tie goes. And I have glitter everywhere because I'm working on Christmas stuff. This works on every single wreath frame. Now, I personally don't make my own wreath frames anymore. I think it's quicker just to purchase them already made. But if you're making wreaths for your own front door, this is a quick, easy way to make sure that your wreath frame matches whatever wreath that you want to make. And it can be a lot more economical. I wouldn't want to do this for a wreath that I'm selling. Alright, so we're on the last one. Put it in place, and if you fold it over, you're where you started. Perfectly 5 inches apart. Same thing on the bottom row. This time I wrap it around the middle frame and the bottom wire. Twist it off. Fold it over. This is where the next one goes. Now on this particular frame, I just got lucky and it's 5 inches between this one, the middle, and the next piece. I bought these wireframes from craftoutlet.com along with these Chenille stems. They have just about every color you could want in the Chenille stems, and the price isn't that bad. One thing you will notice is that these don't stay in place very well. By fixing that, I go back with a dab of hot glue on the top and bottom of every twist. Alright, there's our frame. To secure all the twist ties in place, always go back to every one of these, and I put a dab of hot glue on the top of the twist tie, touching each side of the wire and right over the top of it. And on the bottom, the same thing. You want to make sure that your hot glue touches the wire on the other side, touches the Chenille stem, and touches the other side. This keeps it secure in place. Alright, I already did one. Everything's glued, tight, snug, and it's ready to go. Hope you guys can use this tip. Thanks, y'all.